Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making shawarma, chicken shawarma. The first thing we're going to do is to cut all the veggies, the carrots, the tomatoes, all the bell peppers, the cabbage and the rest of the veggies. So stick with me, keep watching. This is the chicken. I'll go ahead and season it with salt, curry powder, paprika, chicken seasoning, and then vegetable seasoning. So I'll get that and mix it with my hand, and I'm going to put it in oil to fry for 5 minutes until it's dry enough. So after that, in another pan I added olive oil, garlic and ginger, sliced garlic and ginger. So this is parsley and onion. So I'm going to fry it for just 3 seconds. So here I added tomatoes and carrots. So after that, I added curry powder, paprika, chicken seasoning, oregano, and salt. So I'm going ahead and stir it properly until it's well combined. So after that, I added cabbage, and then onion, sliced onion. I stir it properly. Then the next thing is to add more cabbage and then pepper. This pepper is very, very hot. Stir. So this is the chicken. I'll go ahead and pieces it and put it inside the cabbage or our sauce. So I'll go ahead and add the milk cream. This milk cream, I made it by myself. This is homemade milk cream. If you want the recipe for this milk cream, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to send you the recipe for it. So I'll go ahead and add the mayonnaise, just 2 spoons of mayonnaise, because the milk is already covered the, serve for the cream for this recipe we are making, this shawarma recipe. So I'll go ahead and stir it properly. The next thing is to add lemon, squeezing lemon. I just added only half cut of lemon is enough. So you stir, what we're going to be using in this shawarma recipe, our wrap is piadina. It's called piadina. So I'll go ahead and unwrap all the piadina and then put it inside the oven for just 5 minutes or 4 minutes, depending on the quality of the piadina. So I'll go ahead and put all our shawarma sauce inside and wrap it and pop it inside the oven, and voila, our shawarma is ready. Our homemade shawarma is ready. This shawarma, my kids love it so much. This is not the first time I'm making shawarma, but they say that this is the best among the rest of the shawarma. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow us for more video. Bye.